Help! My bank won't let me wire money without being there in person. What do I do? Let's talk about it today. Hey guys, it's Jeremy Blanton with RE/MAX Southern Shores, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where this week we're going to discuss a problem that recently showed up during one of my closing transactions. The buyers were moving here from Ohio, had been here in Myrtle Beach for a few weeks prior to closing, and they still had their money though sitting in a bank up in Ohio. Well, it was day of closing and they had received the final numbers and figures from the attorney the night before, which is common, and the buyers were ready to close. They called their bank to initiate the final wire transfer to the attorney, and the bank said, "You have to do this in person." Well, the problem is the people are now here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The bank is in Ohio, and it's the morning of closing. This is a problem that has been happening more often recently here in the area. If you're using a small local bank that does not have brokerages or branches here in the area, it could cause a problem. Luckily, in our case, we were able to get a notarized letter signed and notarized by the attorney that my buyers were wanting to make this transaction to happen, sent it over to the bank, and they were able to initiate the wire. However, others have had this happen where their bank will not allow it, and they had to get in their car and drive to a branch that was with their bank to initiate the wire. So when it's getting close to closing date, I would highly suggest reach out to your bank ahead of time. Ask them what are their procedures on making a wire transfer. And if it is something where they will not do it and you have to do it in person, go through the proper channels. Ask ahead of time if there is a way to make this possible, even though you will not know the amount until the day of and will not be near one locally. Usually your local branches are willing to work with you in some way and help you out with it. Hopefully this makes sense to everybody. If you have questions, leave a comment down below. We'll do our best to answer them. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, share it with a friend, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.